Is your marriage on the edge of despair because you made one little mistake? Your marriage could have been saved. Let's see what happened. Now, Sam, what did you say just happened to that bread? Tell me one more
I
time.
mashed it up.
What happened?
I put it in a bag on top of on the green beans, and that didn't go too well.
What did your wife think about it?
She didn't like it.
Did you go back and get more bread?
I had to. That bread cost me twice.
That's right, it did. But if you'd have had a SafeLoaf,
I'd have been good to go.
you'd have been good to go.
Yeah.
As you can see, if you would have only done one thing, reach off the shelf, grab the SafeLoaf, open it up, and simply drop the bread down inside the SafeLoaf box. As you can see, your bread could have been saved, and maybe even your marriage. SafeLoaf.